Managing pricing data just got easier. Meet Import Manager, the smart, validation-driven, and intuitive tool built right into PriceFX. Export, import, or update your data directly within the application. No need to open additional tools. Edit your data in a familiar Excel-like way. Let's explore how you can use the Import Manager. Easily export your data. Download it to Excel or any other tool where you prefer to make your edits. Once downloaded, start editing. Add new products, delete outdated ones, or update key fields. Before applying changes, review the import summary. You'll see what's new, what's changed, and what's being deleted. If there are any issues like duplicate keys or formatting errors, they'll be flagged for correction. Before applying changes, review the import summary. Seamlessly integrate approval workflows to ensure every import undergoes the necessary review. Import Manager lets you work with data where users need it most, like price lists, live price grids, customer and seller master data and extension, products, or product extensions. Work with data in a whole new way. No more tool switching. Visit our website to learn more.